I spent an insane amount of money on a new helmet. I can't find lenses for this one. The only ones I can find are the ones on the inside, and like the last time I needed a lens, I needed the one that was out here. Just old, well used. I do a lot of welding, not senseless, nonsense welding. So, like, I don't know, it's $60 to $100. What did I pay for this? $450.
I don't know. Not a clue.
I know there's more expensive ones out there. Like Miller makes one that's like $1,500. But so way bigger screen. This thing's real small. I'm used to these. That's all I've ever used. These came out a long time ago. I never knew about them. So I don't shop for expensive stuff. But it's your eyes. I don't really think you should skip on that. And of course, this thing's filthy because it hasn't been in its bag. See the difference on the inside. The knobs, the screen,
Head adjustments.
the headgear, and this thing is comfortable. It's got all kinds of pivots and moves and this and that. It's pretty crazy how comfortable a welding helmet could be. Depends on what logos you get. You get just a plain black one for $380, $280, something like that. I spent the extra $50 on the graphics. Graphics always been kind of a cool thing to look at. I've always thought. I actually got a buddy of mine that's covered in these tattoos. These creepy looking monster hot rod tattoos. Yeah.
And the difference through seeing through.
Seeing through them, that thing's pretty dark. And I could probably lighten it up a little bit, but just, I don't know if you're able to see through the camera. Here, yellow rag.
Put it up against the light. I'd show them bad, then better. Oh,
You can see that's pretty much normal looking.
blind you guys. Oh.
Nasty greenish yellow tint. I don't know about anybody else. This stuff, the color just makes my eyes burn bad. I don't really have a way to do a welding comparison with them.
No.
Obviously, I need to be able to see. They're expensive, but in my eyes, they're money well spent. I've been welding since sophomore year in high school. I was 15, so 20 years.
You were December baby, so you were 16. Sophomore year.
19, 20 years, whatever. Money well spent to me. Should somebody else I thought would care, I just you know what. Anyways, comes with extra lenses, comes with a carrying bag, comes with a Foos design. I'm guessing it's a welding bandana. I haven't used it yet. Anyways, I bought this because I bought that. New welder, new multifunction welder. We'll go over that in the next video.
And it's about that. Welding table.
Kind of turning my bench into crap. It's not even my bench. So this was the 4C 3350 made by Lincoln, Viking, off product of Lincoln. Delay time, sensitivity, shade. Switch up here for 9 through 13. button on the side, you just click it for grinding, click it back off for welding. Nice setup. Battery test. I've had helmets with the same knob, same test. Nowhere near this clear. Looks like you're looking through a tinted window. Other than that, it's like a 30% tint out of 5% of tin. They're worth it. I think so anyway. So we'll see you on the next one. Have a good day. Be nice.